this project originally had a much wider scope, but time is very much against me. I need to get everything built as fast as possible so that I can go and get up on the mountain and get the shots. But it's a fairly big effort to get up to the top there, and the weather is not going to cooperate, so I need to get it right first time. So I need to invest the time to get all of this built right first time, and it needs to work first time. Yeah, so let's have a quick overview of what I'm trying to do. I have my camera here. This is my one that I use for my main episodes. And what I want to achieve is that I'm going to do a massive anaglyph. So normally what you do for capturing an anaglyph photo, so that's when you get two photos side by side, very slightly different angles, basically eye distance apart. You combine those together in red cyan or some variation, one of those variations there. Normally you want to do them eye distance apart. However, for objects that are much further away, one method of making the 3D more effective is to have bigger separation. I'm going to go up onto a mountain where there's not really anything close by for a long way away. So I want to have a huge separation, and I want to have it as a variable separation. Originally, I was going to have these rollers here, and they were going to go on top of the rail like this. I will very likely end up with that solution, but today this introduces a few challenges which are probably going to be counterproductive to the time I have available. So one is that there's a little bit of slack in here, and yes, I can do things to fix that. It'll take me a bit of time to invest to do that. Why does that matter? Because I need to have predictable alignment of the camera. One of my reasons for wanting to do it on a rail in the first place is then I eliminate some axes of variation. So I'm going to have the roll is going to be consistent between shots. The yaw needs to be consistent. I need to modify the yaw in a very predictable way, because we need the two angles to be pointing in towards each other. And it only needs to be pointing in just a little bit, but it does need to be pointing in. If I have the slack across two of the rollers, suddenly the thing could be less predictable. Now there's tricks that I can do. For example, I could put on a bit of an angle like this. Suddenly that creates a bit of pressure, and that's probably going to be okay. But it's just an extra complication, so I'm probably not going to do that on this particular trip, but I probably will do that in the near future. I need to get on and build it.